Have you ever tried to scrape data of targeted leads on Facebook but you couldn't get it done? But don't worry, in this video I'll show you how I got over 10,000 scrape data of my targeted leads on Facebook in less than 10 minutes. You see, over the last few days I've been trying out all of the lead sniper scraping softwares, and I decided to put all of that helpful videos in a single playlist where you can watch and learn how to scrape leads from anywhere online. So in this video, similar to the previous ones, I will show you how to use this tool to scrape leads from Facebook. So what you need to do right now is you want to click the link in the video description and you'll be on this page where you'll find out more about this Facebook scraper software. You want to click on Add to Chrome right here, and here is where you're going to be finding a detailed guide walking you through how to install the software into your computer right after you've downloaded it. Now, once you've been able to install the software into your computer, all you need to do is you want to open up the software, alright, and here is where you want to input the industry that you are basically targeting. Then for the email type, you want to choose public emails, and for the website source, you want to choose Facebook. And as you can see that you have other social media websites that you can scrape your leads from. So I'm going to skip the in URL. Then next here, you want to choose your country. So I'll be working with Canada, and as well, you just want to skip the rest because they don't really matter. So now that we have imputed all our necessary information right here, I'll click on start, and you can see I've given permission to this tool to help me start scraping my targeted leads on Facebook. So what I need to do is to just give this tool a bit of time so that it can get me thousands of leads in a very short period of time. But because I've got access to use a premium account, I can also use the software on another of my browser. So I would go ahead and open up a different browser, and as well I'm going to repeat the same procedures, and I'm going to click on start. So this would actually take me a few minutes to get thousands of leads off Facebook. The Lead Sniper tool offers different pricing plans to help you make the best out of their softwares, including access to scrape leads from multiple browsers, a lifetime payment, and also access to enjoy any future update. Now I'll go ahead and pause this video, and once I've been able to get quite a number of leads right here, I'll come back and show you guys how to download your result into your computer. So right now guys, you can see on the first browser I've been able to get over 4,000 leads of targeted leads on Facebook, and on the second browser I have less than 3,000